Good morning, friends. Friends, tomorrow you have the test of the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 test, right? OC. So today we complete this particular chapter. We are trying for that also. Friends, we have learned the topic of business service part 1. In that we have learned the topic of insurance service. We have learned the topic of postal service, and then we have learned the topic of go downs, right? So friends, today we are going to learn I think the last topic that we are going to learn, that is the friends, which one? Transportation services. Which one, friends? Transportation services. We know that transportation is very much important. Wherever the goods are production is take place, that goods is to be transported from one place to the other place by any means. It can be by airways, it can be by waterways, or it can be by the roadways. So let's see the topic, transportation service. Transportation service facilitate transit of people. Clearly says transit of people from one place to another place. Goods from one place to another place, right? Transportation service is required to shift the goods from one place to another goods, to shift the goods from one place to another. Initially, animals and vehicles were used. Initially means what? In earlier times, what? Animals and vehicles were used. Animals and vehicles were there. We know bullock carts are there, right? Horse carts are there. Animals and vehicles. Along with them, waterways were used for the same purpose. Waterways are used. Today also we know the ships is the most important transportation, and lot of goods, tons of goods can be transported with the help of ship. With the help of modern invention, the use of aeroplanes has been become, right? It's a dream of every man, no? It's a dream of every man in the late century, but now it's practically possible, right? That the each and every person can travel in the air through the airways by sitting in the aeroplane. So let's see the types, friends. It's very easy. The first is human oriented. Even today in Bengal and, right, some spaces we can see that human oriented carts are there. The human draw the vehicle and the person sitting besides them. Even today, human oriented transportation exist. Even today, it's a, what we say, it's emphasis that even today it should not happen, but it's happening. Human orient operated transportation exist to manage transit of human beings and goods, and it is environmental friendly too. They are saying environmental friendly because no pollution is created. In many places, pedal rickshaws is still prevalent. We know that pedal rickshaws is operating in many cities of our India also, which transport people from one place to the another place. Even in the film also we have seen, right? For instance, Kolkata has the pedal rickshaw, and in almost all parts of India, goods are transported through human operated carriers. That means the person will stand in the front of them and he pulls the cart and the person sits beside them. Right. So what we can say, human oriented. Even today, human oriented transportation exists to manage the transit of human beings and goods, and is environmental friendly too. In many places, pedal rickshaw is still prevalent, that is in Kolkata, right? But it is not effective. Now comes animal oriented. For short distance transit of goods, animal oriented transportation is used. I think you have seen that camels are there, horse are there, bullock carts are there. We have seen everywhere. In village area, if you go, you can see that bullock carts are there. If you see in city area, we can say some horse cart is also there, right? Brides and broom, they are traveling, right? Even for the transportation of the goods. Airways. Airways are used, but they are saying airways are used for human and good transit for long distance. What they say, long distance. It's very important, no? Long distance and speedy movement. In today's world, the speed is more important. For takeoff and landing, runway is necessary. It's all normal thing. For short distance and for less quantity of goods and few people, when runway is not available in hostel region, helicopter service is more suitable. We know that in some areas, Runways is not possible. If you go to upper city of our India, like right, like Srinagar is there, Ladakh is there. In that cases, not there are not big runways are there. So in that cases, helicopters are used for the transportation of the goods. So what they say, what are the types? The first is the human oriented, number two is the animal oriented, and number three is the airways. Right, number three is the airways. So let's see the now the new topic, that is the land transport, that is air railways. Human and good transit take place through railway. Railway, we know that it's a very important and very cheap way of transportation. Human and good transit take place through railway. Usually diesel or electricity is used for railway engine. Diesel is there because it gives more power. Now electricity is also there in Bombay suburban area. Everything is done by the what we say electricity only. But where the cables cannot be reached out in Konkan and all, in that they are using to run the diesel engine. Many a time, many coaches or all coaches have fuel engines, which are known as multiple unit train. Multiple unit train means what? More than one or two engines. Presently, railway use cable, gravitational force, magnetic force. That is the new technology now the various countries are using. In India also, our IRCTC is using such type of things. So friends, what are the topic they want to say? Which are the types of communication? First is the human oriented. Next is animal oriented. Then comes the railways, right? Land transport and all. So I think it's very clear, human oriented, animal oriented, railways, land transport. You can write means. ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to stick to the this one only. You have can stick. Recently, compressed natural gas being used India for railway engine. देखो, it's a new one. Natural gas CNG. We are heard in for the car and bikes also. But today they are using in the railway engine also. Railway which connect different towns and cities are also train running within the city have proved to be the spinal cord for transportation. You know that in lockdown, even today the railway has not started in a proper space. So lot of people have lot of problems in that. People cannot go from one place to another place. They are stuck in one. Tickets are not available. Even if it is available, it is very heavy costing. So a lot of issues are there. So that's they want to say that what we say running train is the spinal cord of transportation, because the most of the transportation is done through trains only. Now comes the roadways. It's a general roadways. In roadways there is a freedom to move from one road to another, to change place, direction, speed and time according to the requirement, right? Railway cannot reach to it. For example, in Surat railway, that comes to Surat station, from Surat station to reach to particular area like Udna Darwaja, or we can say to Althan area, City Light area, Udna area, Bestan area, Sachin area, right? For that we require the roadways. Now we cannot use the railway, right? So everywhere everywhere every mode of transportation is important. In roadway there is freedom to move from one road to another, to change place, direction, speed and time according to the requirement, which is not possible in other mode of transportation. It is possible to provide this service at the doorstep, right? We can get the good, we can get any roadways at our doorstep, the tempo service, or we can say truck service, or our own vehicle, whatever. Bus is an effective way of transportation for people. Now they are taking an example of bus. For transit of goods of lesser weight and distance, truck is very useful. Because of vehicular traffic, the problem of air pollution, noise pollution, traffic jam and parking arises. We know that it's a very huge problem, but now due to this COVID-19, the situation is not arising, right? Because the vehicles are increasing day by day. Because of vehicular traffic, problems of air pollution, noise pollution, traffic jam and parking arises. Due to this, in many cities, BRTS, even in our city also we have this service, that is BRTS service is provided. That means from one particular area to one particular area. So people can easily go from one place to another. Has been started. For such buses, a dedicated road is reserved. You know that the dedicated road is reserved for it, so that bus can reach from one place to another at a fast place. The duration between one bus and the kept is minimum, so that the people can also communicate. In Gujarat, this service is prevalent like Ahmedabad, Surat, and Rajkot, etc. So, friend, roadways, we have seen lot of things. We have seen transportation. First is it started from animal cart. Sorry, it started from human cart. Then it comes to animal cart. Then we have learned the railways, right? Then we have come to the concept of roadways. Okay, clear? Just for revision, human, animal oriented, human oriented, animal oriented, airways, railways, right? Then comes the roadways. Then comes waterways. We know that it is also most important now. Now, what comes the waterways? These are all just what we say. It's generally the common sense question only. Every student can answer about this waterways. Sea, we know river, lake, canals are some of the waterways on which boats, ferries, ships, etc. provided through water transport. Nearby seashore places or where the water and even land is there, hovercraft is used, which uses a giant high-speed fan. Mainly it is used by the, what we say, by the army people, hovercraft. From there, it's a like what we say, like it's a, like a balloon. There in the surface, the whole air is filled, and that air can easily passes through the this is through the water. So with the help of that speed, that hovercraft gets the energy to run forward. Okay. Big dams are constructed and water is made available to distant place through canals. Right, we know that canals are there. In Surat also we can know canal road hum bolte hain. From that canal, wherever the agriculture is there, from right, from that, yes, sorry. What we want to say that waterways, sea, river like canals are there. From that canals, the farmer can take the water through the pumps. Water can take through the pumps, right? Big dams are considered water is made available to distant place through canal. Canals are used also as a waterways. Foreign trade take place mostly through waterways because that is the only way, because that is the cheapest way of transporting. So I think it's very clear, it's very nothing is there. Sea, river, lake and all are used boat, ferry, ships. It's a common sense question, nothing to be done. Transit through pipeline. Now what is that? Transit to pipeline. We know that pipeline means what? For it is mainly for the gas and it's mainly for the crude oil. Pipeline is used for liquid or gaseous product. Even we have the pipeline from Iraq and Iran also to India. This arrangement is used for transportation of fluid, waste, water, petroleum, natural gas, etc. For instance, for transporting gas from Hazira to Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, pipeline is laid. Oil and natural petroleum products are transported through pipeline in states like Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. So that's they want to say, transit through pipeline. So friends, we have completed this chapter, right? So for tomorrow, you are ready for this test. So let's see one revision. What do you learn in this chapter? The first, friends, we have learned the insurance service. So what is the? It is a return agreement between the insuree and the insurer which promises to pay the pre-decided amount according to pre-decided calculation, a compensation against a pre-decided amount of premium in the event of pre-decided loss. Principles we have learned: principles of utmost good faith, principle of indemnity, principle of insurable interest, principle of subrogation. Types of insurance we have learned: life insurance, whole life insurance, endowment insurance, general, transit, marine, air, road, fire and other. It's a big topic. If you read, it becomes very, very clear to you. Now, after that, we have learned that postal service. If you remember the postal service, we have learned a lot of things. General post letter, you know the parcel, you know that the covering letter, inland letter. Registered post, we have learned acknowledgement. Parcel service, value payable post, speed post, express parcel, saving services, recurring deposit plan, term deposit, national saving certificate, Kisan Vikas Patra. Everything we have learned in a very deep way. Only thing we require the revision. Those students who are doing the revision, they don't have any issue. Public Provident Fund, postal insurance, monthly income scheme, money order, instant money order, other related services, go down and warehouse service. Meaning, products are stored in such a way that go down services that the basic nature and the quality of product is preserved or the change is minimum. Based on ownership, private go downs and public go downs. With the go down, they are saying private and public. That also we have learned. Based on payment of custom duty paid go downs and bonded go downs. Based on uses, they are saying to general go downs and special go downs. Transportation services. Just now we have learned that is manually operated, animal operated, air transport, land transport, rail transport, road, waterways, and pipelines. Up to there, right, we have learned. MCQ also we have started. Now, what is insurance? So already we have know what is insurance. Insurance means it's a contract between the insurer and insured. What is insurance policy? The return document. What is life insurance? When an insurer takes an insurance and he pays the premium for a specified period of time, and after that he gets returned, right, to his legal heir. That is life insurance. Meaning of general insurance, the insurance which is taken other than the life, it is known as general insurance. What is the fastest mode of transportation? We know airways. Give the meaning of warehouse. We know warehouse means the place where the goods are stored, right? Multiple unit train, more than one engine. Principles of insurance, utmost good faith, right? Principle of indemnity, principle of subrogation, principle of insurable interest. List of types of general insurance, we have the list of type, marine insurance and all. Life insurance does not apply to the loss of compensation principle. We have discussed it. If you remember, we have discussed this. In that, it clearly says that life is valueless. We cannot compare. Every human being decides what is his life after his death. So according to that, he takes the insurance. Health insurance, we have learned. Public Provident Fund, we have scheme that 15 years lock-in period is there. Every year 500 rupees to be deposited, otherwise the account will get locked. He will get the interest after the end of 15 years only. That all we have learned. It is opened in the bank also, as well as in the post office also, right? For what kind of product pipeline transit is most suitable? It is for the liquid or the gases, for the waste, and for that pipeline is most important. What is the principle of utmost good faith? Principle of utmost good faith. When both the parties reveal every information to each other and no information is hidden with the other. Principle of indemnity, we know that principle of indemnity is the most important principle which decide how much compensation is paid to the particular party. If you remember that example I have given, 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs and all, that is the concept. Principle of insurable interest, right? We can take the insurance of that particular product in which we have the insurable interest. That means financial interest. Insurance does not remove the risk. It does not remove the risk, but it compensates for the loss resulting from the risk. Justify the statement. Insurance contract is not made for the profit. Profit के लिए नहीं होता ये. It is only for to compensate for the risk. If anything bad happens in the business, anything loss happens in the business, the insurance company will compensate the loss. Loss compensate करेगा और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करेगा. Go down creates time utility. Go down create time. The good, the what we say, the goods are produced round a year. पूरे साल भर production होता है. And that products are stored in a particular place in a very best way, and that increases the time utility of the godown. What are special godowns? Special godown भी हमको पता है. The godowns which are used for a specific purpose only, like storage of poisonous gas, petroleum product, perishable products, milk, vegetable. That is known as special godowns. How does insurance contract differ from general contract? Insurance contract पूरा अलग ही रहता है. General contract में क्या होता है? It is for only 1 year. General contract आप fire insurance लेते हो, vehicle insurance लेते हो, it is for the 1 year. लेकिन insurance contract is for the life term. In insurance contract, principle of subrogation is not applicable, क्योंकि वो वापस लेता नहीं है. लेकिन in general contract, the principle of subrogation is available. स्टेट एंड एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में कितने टाइप्स है? एक तो हमने लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और एक एंडोमेंट इंश्योरेंस पढ़ा. स्टेट द टाइप्स ऑफ जनरल इंश्योरेंस. जनरल इंश्योरेंस के भी टाइप पढ़े हमने, राइट. फायर इंश्योरेंस, मैराइन इंश्योरेंस, उसमें नोट ऑन IRDA, ठीक है, भी हमने पढ़ा. स्टेट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ वेयर हाउसेस. वेयर हाउस में याद है ऑनरशिप व्यू पॉइंट, राइट, यूसेज व्यू पॉइंट, उसके हिसाब से पूरा चार्ट है. और एक्सप्लेन कस्टम ड्यूटी पेड वेयर हाउस. नाउ व्हाट इज कस्टम ड्यूटी पेड वेयर हाउस? Custom duty paid warehouse means when the goods are imported from the other country and in which immediate transportation facility is not available. In that circumstances, after paying the import duty, the goods are stored in the custom duty paid warehouse. That is known as custom duty paid warehouses. Okay. अब abbreviation क्या है? देखो, LIC of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, VPP, Value Payable Post, FDI, फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, ATM. OTM बहुत बच्चे बोलते हैं ATM मतलब सर एनी टाइम मनी है, ऐसा नहीं है. ATM का मतलब ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन. MIS, मंथली इनकम स्कीम. IMO, इंस्टेंट मनी ऑर्डर. EMO, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मनी ऑर्डर. CNG, कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस, है ना, बहुत कुछ नया नया सीखने को मिल रहा है. BRTS, बस रैपिड ट्रांसिट सिस्टम. IRDA, इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी एंड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी. NSC, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट. KVP, किसान विकास पत्र. PPF, पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड. MIS, मंथली इनकम स्कीम. तो फ्रेंड्स ये सारे टॉपिक थे हमने इस चैप्टर में पढ़े, राइट. और भी हमने इस चैप्टर इज वेरी बिग, ठीक है. तो आपके पास पूरा एक दिन है, पढ़ाई होगा आपने, फिर भी आपके पास एक पूरा दिन है. पूरा अच्छी तरीके से रिवीजन करो, देन यू विल गेट इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर इन अ बेटर वे, राइट. तो होप आपका अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ लिया होगा आपने, राइट. ऑनरशिप व्यू पॉइंट हमने पढ़ा था ना अभी, कस्टम ड्यूटी, राइट, बॉन्डेड और यूजफुलनेस के हिसाब से, राइट. ओनली एक बार इसे आप लिख लोगे ना, इफ यू राइट ऑन योर नोटबुक्स, और अच्छी तरीके से एक एक पॉइंट, इंश्योरेंस किसे कहते हैं, एटमोस्ट गुड फेथ किसे कहते हैं, इंडेमनिटी किसे कहते हैं, सब्रोगेशन किसे कहते हैं, इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट किसे कहते हैं, आप ये लिखोगे ना तो आपको याद रहेगा. इंश्योरेंस के बाद आप देखोगे सर दूसरा कौन सा है, हाँ अभी अपना फायर एंडोमेंट इंश्योरेंस के बारे में पढ़ना है. तो एंडोमेंट इंश्योरेंस क्या है, सेविंग स्कीम के साथ चलता है. तो ये सब आप लिख के रखोगे और एक बुक में नोट बनाओगे तो क्या बहुत सारी चीजें आसान हो जाती है और आपके माइंड में ये एकदम फिक्स हो जाता है, जम जाता है. तो ये बार बार इसे रिवीजन करना पड़ता है, बार बार इसे आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. ये नया टॉपिक है. जैसे गोडाउन में आते तो चलो कौन सा गोडाउन है, प्राइवेट जो हम अपने लिए बनाते, पब्लिक हम पब्लिक के लिए बनाते, वो रेंट देता है, यूज करता है, एक इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोफेशन जैसा बन चुका है, ऐसा सब है. कस्टम ड्यूटी, कस्टम ड्यूटी में क्या बोलेंगे, गुड्स जो इंपोर्ट करते हैं इस पे कस्टम ड्यूटी पे हो चुका है वो हम स्टोर करते हैं. बॉन्डेड मतलब जो इंपोर्ट हो चुका है लेकिन कस्टम ड्यूटी पे नहीं करते हैं. 2 मिनट का काम है, 2 मिनट लगेगा. जनरल गोडाउन मतलब ऐसे गोडाउन जहां पे सब सामान जिसमें कोई स्पेशल केयर की जरूरत नहीं है. और स्पेशल गोडाउन मतलब ऐसे गोडाउन जहां पे सामान रखा जाता है जिसमें स्पेशल ध्यान देना पड़ता है, स्पेशल ध्यान देना पड़ता है, जैसे कि क्रैकर्स हुआ, ये हुआ, वो हुआ, वो सब चीज हम रखते हैं. तो फ्रेंड्स ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें थी इसके. फिर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के बारे में पढ़ा, कुछ नहीं है, ह्यूमन कार्ट, बुलो कार्ट, राइट, एनिमल ओरिएंटेड, है ना. उसके बाद एयरवेज, रेलवेज, रोडवेज, पाइपलाइन. इसे आप लिखो. एक मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, यू जस्ट राइट इट ऑन योर नोटबुक. नोटबुक में लिखोगे तो क्या इजी तरीके से आपके दिमाग में सब छप जाता है, इजी दिमाग में सब कुछ आपके दिमाग में आ जाता है. ये रहा। इंश्योरेंस में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा, पीपीएफ पढ़ा, मंथली इनकम स्कीम पढ़ा, किसान विकास पत्र पढ़ा, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट पढ़ा, टर्म डिपॉजिट पढ़ा, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट पढ़ा, राइट। फिर पोस्टल में रजिस्टर्ड पार्सल, एक्सप्रेस पार्सल, वैल्यू पेएबल पोस्ट, ये सब हमने पढ़ा। तो कंडीशन क्या है, इसे आप एक बार रीड करो। So friends, chapter 1 and chapter 2 is ready, completed. Now only thing you have to do the practice. अच्छी तरीके से एग्जाम लिखना और अच्छे राइटिंग में लिखना और पॉइंट वाइज लिखना। पॉइंट वाइज नहीं लिखोगे तो पैराग्राफ वाइज लिखोगे तो मैं मार्क्स नहीं दे पाऊंगा आपको। यू हैव टू राइट इन पॉइंट ओनली। अंडरलाइन करना है, अच्छे राइटिंग में लिखना है। टाइमिंग आप जानते हो, 1 आवर आपको दिया जाएगा, 25 मार्क्स का टेस्ट रहेगा। पेपर कैसे आपके पास आएगा राइट नाउ मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, ठीक है। जैसे भी हो आपके पास पेपर व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू या कैसे भी हम आपको पहुंचा देंगे, ठीक है, एज डिसाइडेड बाय द स्कूल। तो उसका टेंशन मत लो, आपका काम आप जानते हो। ओके देन, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थैंक यू।